Hey guys, Jesse here from SEO College, and in today's video we're going to be answering a question in regards to YouTube SEO. Now that we're moving into, closer to 2023 or 2030, we're actually in an age where social media is more prominent, specifically utilizing search engine optimization on specific social media platforms. And this is one of the main topics that I have on this channel. Aside from doing Google advertising, Google organic search on your website, which is also another fundamental topic that we talk about. But in this particular topic, we're going to be focused on YouTube SEO, and specifically utilizing a strategy with Vidiq. And Vidiq is a tool that is optimized for searching for keywords, for searching for hidden keywords, and finding the right keywords for your YouTube channel. I particularly use this for my own channel, and I'm going to show you how to hack the tool to get keywords that are going to rank you on the first page of Google. Now, this is called the question answer method. The question answer method is basically you are answering questions. Now, not a lot of people are doing this. I'm not really sure why, because it's a very easy way to rank yourself on the first page of YouTube. But a lot of people are just kind of like skipping past this. I feel like a lot of creators are more they're focused on their own topics. They're not really focused on answering the questions, the queries, the search intent. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I mean by that, so you can get a good idea and internalize this in your mind, how to utilize this tool properly. So with that said, let's jump into Vidiq, and I'm going to show you exactly what this means. But before that, let's read the question here that my client asked, and she said, "Good morning, I got Vidiq. I'm just wondering if you got the list of questions that have not been answered. That would be motivating to me just to start answering those questions." So basically, this is a coach that wants to basically make videos, and this is a very easy way to break yourself out into creating videos. If you are stuck on how to create videos, or you don't know what videos to create, this is a perfect strategy for you to get started. So with that said, let's jump into the video. Awesome. So here we are in the back of Vidiq. I'm assuming that you have a Vidiq account. Just for a little bit of context, the cheapest plan is $10 a month, and you can actually get Vidiq for, I believe, $4 for the first month. So it is pretty cheap. You don't really need to go with the more expensive tool, which is, I believe, is like $49 a month. Because again, you're just searching for keywords for now, and when you have a bigger channel and you have a little bit of revenue, then you can focus on actually getting, obviously, better traction in a more expensive plan. Okay, so I wanted to just show you a couple things. Now, of course, I'm not going to show you everything because I'm not upgraded to the boost plan. I just have basically the regular plan, but you don't really need the boost plan because, again, it's going to show you rising keywords for things that are probably outside of your niche or not relevant to what you're talking about. If you're like me, talking about like marketing and whatnot, a lot of these keywords are irrelevant, therefore you don't need to upgrade to boost. Okay, so this is just showing you what's trending. Kira Toriyama, rest in peace. And basically, you don't want to focus on those kind of keywords. You just want to focus on the keywords that are associated with your own niche or whatever your topic is. So in this case, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to I'm gonna type in a keyword called alcohol addiction. Alcohol, let me spell that right. Addiction. Okay, so I typed in alcohol addiction. Okay, so the next thing that we want to do is you want to scroll down here, and you want to click on this box right here called questions. Okay, not matching terms. Matching terms is good too, but you want to go for questions. The reason why we go for questions is because when somebody types in a question, then basically you can make a video answer to each of these questions. So I'm going to click on that, and right here you see that there's a variety of different questions here, right? So if you filter it by lowest competition, you'll see which ones are the easiest to rank for. They're usually at the top here. So again, this tab called competition, the arrow needs to be pointing up. See how pointing down means that the highest competition keywords are at the top, and then you point it up. And then what you would do is basically you would make a video on this. So is it a bad idea to help someone with alcohol addiction? How can you get rid of alcohol addiction? So I would make an answer video to this, maybe 10 minutes long, maybe 8 minutes long, maybe 3 minutes long, depending on how long you want to talk. And then I would just keep going down this. Okay, so I would make a video on this. Well, actually, you wouldn't want to make a video on this because this looks like it's like a Tamil. So some of these keywords are pointing towards, like, if you're like from India, no offense if you're from India or anything, but like if you're from another country, I'm personally from Canada, but if you're from like these countries, you probably don't want to target these keywords here. You just want to focus on keywords like do I have an alcohol addiction, how to withdraw alcohol addiction. Okay, no, you don't want to focus on that one. How do I know if I have an alcohol addiction? So that would be a great video to create, right? So avoid the ones that have obviously like a different language, or it's pointing to like, or it has Tamil or India or any. You just want to focus on the ones that are like, how can alcohol addiction be cured? Okay, so you want to answer all of these questions here. And here's the reason why, because when I click on one of these, okay, so I'm just going to click on, does fasting help alcohol addiction? I'm going to show you something cool. So as you can see, there are some people that are making videos on this, but there's not a lot of people that are answering the question, right? So this guy says, avoid these big mistakes when drinking water. See how he has 280k views? And see how this person has 1 million views? Okay? So here, that's the hack. Okay? So when you answer a question directly, and keep in mind you have to have a good thumbnail too. I should also do a video on how to create a good thumbnail, because your click-through rate is really dependent on how good your thumbnail is. It's not just about having obviously a good video. You have to have a good thumbnail. There's no way around that. You can't, you could just post your video, but having a good thumbnail is a night and day difference when it comes to people clicking on your own video. Okay, so just to keep that in mind. Okay, so basically, you see right here that there are people that are making answers, but they're not direct answers to that specific question. So again, the question was, does fasting help with alcohol addiction? Nobody made a video on how fasting helps with alcohol addiction. And you can be the first person to make that video and scoop up one of these tens of thousands of viewers that are looking for these answers. And you can see right here, you know, a lot of the people that are answering these questions are getting a lot of subscribers, okay? So one last thing before I'm gonna show you, I'm actually gonna show you in real time that this does work. I'm gonna show you this in real time. So I'm gonna click Vidiq tips, or tips, okay? Vidiq tips, okay? And then I'm gonna go down to view questions, okay? And then I'm going to filter it out by lowest competition. And then I'm gonna look for how to, so I'm gonna look for a keyword that is similar to the video that I'm talking about right now, okay? What is the Vidiq score tips? SEO score tips. How do I get more views? So this is a good one right here. I'm gonna focus on this one right here. Okay. I'm gonna make this the title of this video. And you can see in real time, because you know you see a lot of people that are putting this right now. Actually, no, there's nobody that is. There's nobody that's making a video on this. So I'm gonna make this the title of this particular video because that was a trick that I wanted to show you. But I'm gonna give you a little bit of bonus here because I don't want to just end the video here. Okay. So we can click on matching terms. Okay. So I'm just going to show you something. I'm going to show you something really cool. I'm going to use Vidiq as my keyword. Okay. I'm going to click on answer, and then I'm going to click on matching terms. Okay. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on competition, filter it by easiest. Now, if I were to make, and I probably will, just for fun, just to show you guys this works, is if I were to make, you know, a video for most of these, not all of these, obviously Vidiq boost crack, I'm not gonna make a video on that because that's just like kind of like a bunch of people that are freeloaders that are looking for free access to Vidiq, and honestly, like, you gotta pay for it, unfortunately. You know, you can get it for cheap. I think you can get the trial period, but you probably have to pay for it. But I will look through this and I will look for how to get ranked tags Vidiq. That's a perfect one right there. Vidiq vision. So this is a good how to get ranked tags. This is actually a great one right there. How to get ranked tags. So I'm gonna make that the title of the keywords, and that's exactly how you would get ranked tags. Is you'd basically put the keyword here, and then you would either click questions or matching terms, and then you would filter it by competition, and then the ones that are in the green are going to be the ones that have the best chance of ranking at the top. Right? And that's actually how you would rank anything on the first page of Google. So now that I'm actually going to post that video, or I'm going to post the video, and I'm going to make a follow-up video of how I would optimize this video, you know, with the keyword tags in this video. So I'm going to utilize this. I'm going to put all the keyword tags in this video, and then in the next video I'm going to show you what I did to put all the keyword tags in there. Okay, so again, we're just to recap on that, you go to you put in your keyword here, you go to questions, and then you filter it out. So with that said, I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, and also make sure to leave a comment below. Are you doing YouTube SEO? Are you using Vidiq? Let me know. Take care, guys.